this course on career counseling, it is extremely important to understand why you should take your career choice seriously. In this video, we will help you understand the importance of making the right career choice for yourself. So, why is your career choice so important? It is important because it determines a lot of things in your life, including number 1, quality of life. Your career choice plays a huge role in deciding where you live, how flexible your life is, and the kinds of things you are able to do in your free time. Number 2, identity. Ask any elder person about their career and they will tell you about it as a part of their identity. They'll say something like, I am a journalist, instead of, I report news. Notice how everybody asks you, what do you want to be when you grow up? And not, what do you want to do when you grow up? This shows that your career choice shapes your identity. Number 3, impact. Every human life touches thousands of other lives in so many different ways. If you select any 60-year-old person who is about to retire, take a time machine, find him as an infant, throw that infant into trash, and then come back to the present day, you'll find that a countless number of things around you have changed. So whatever career you choose, the world will be affected by it. Anything that determines your quality of life, your identity, and the impact that you make should be taken very seriously. And that includes your career choice also. So we hope that this short video could help you understand the importance of making the right career choice. Having done that, we will now move forward to start our career counseling course. We are pretty excited and we hope you are too. So, let's begin. See you.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू डे 43 ऑफ प्रोबोनोज लाइव पॉडकास्ट। 43 डेज हो गए, मैं गिनती भी बंद कर दिया, अभी बस चल रहा है। एंड एक्चुअली वी आर वेरी प्राउड टू गेट इट सो फार। और आज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, एज आई ऑलवेज से, लेकिन आज एक्चुअली बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा। तो फर्स्टली वेलकम ऑल द ऑडियंस मेम्बर्स, ऑल द व्यूअर्स। आई थिंक ऑलरेडी कॉमेंट्स दिख रहा है मुझे, अनिता जी, शिखा जी, एवरीबडी इज हियर। फर्स्टली वेलकम टू द ऑडियंस, आदित्य एंड मिस्टर सेन, वेलकम टू यू एज वेल। और आकाश भाई को तो सब जानते ही है, आकाश ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं। एंड देन टुडे वी हैव अजय एंड युधिष्ठिर विद अस। आकाश, युधिष्ठिर और अजय आर वर्किंग ऑन समथिंग रियली इंटरेस्टिंग, वो जानेंगे, स्पॉइलर नहीं दूंगा मैं। तो पहले मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कर देता हूँ। एज यू ऑलरेडी नो, आकाश हैज़ बीन ऑन आवर पॉडकास्ट बिफोर, सो ही इज़ द CEO एंड ही इज़ द फाउंडर एंड CEO ऑफ एनर्जी इन इनोवेशंस, जो कि टेम्पल वेस्ट से मेमोरेबिलिया बनाते हैं, जो कि स्टैचूज़ बनाते हैं। एंड उनका स्टोरी आप सुन सकते हैं वापस जाके पुराने पॉडकास्ट से। अजय इज़ अ पैशनेट एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर with over 17 years experience in the IT industry. He has worked on softwares which are at any stage of development, either from scratch to maintaining existing applications. He has been working across a wide spectrum of platforms from mobiles, Android, iOS, Windows and Palm OS, to desktop, Windows and Mac OS. Yudhishthira is an app and software developer. He has over 14 years of experience in mobile application development, having worked on multiple domains of and technology, which included multimedia technology, consumer electronics, blockchain and cybersecurity. He has great experience in working through the entire life cycle of small and large scale projects involved in requirement specification, design and architecture, software implementation, large scale beta and performance monitoring in the field. He has also worked on different mobile and TV platforms like Android, iOS, Windows, Palm OS, Amazon Fire TV, etc. As a director of software development in Cryptvisor, he is currently involved in designing and architecting secure messenger for Android and iOS, mentoring and guiding people on technical and beyond technical areas. So firstly, Ajay, Yudhishthir and Akash, welcome to हमारा podcast में. Akash, welcome back to our podcast. तो firstly, Akash जल्दी से अपना introduction फिर से for our audience, and then Ajay and then Yudhishthir as we go.
Thank you so much for inviting me again. I'm always so excited यहाँ पे आने के लिए, और अब के हमारा आने का रीजन बिल्कुल अलग है. So this side आकाश सिंह, मैं अभी 20 साल का हूँ. I am the founder and CEO of Energy Innovations, और अभी हम लोग एक बहुत खास चीज पे काम कर रहे हैं. जिस चीज पे काम कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में आपको अजय सर और युधिष्ठिर सर बताएंगे. So please introduce yourself, Ajay sir and Yudhishthir sir.
Thanks, Akash. I think this is the first kind of webinar I have, which is broadcast live. So happy to be here. So I'm Ajay. I've been associated with Yudhishthir for a long time, and both of us kept talking like we should start something on our own. And back in 2018 September, we formed our firm called AT&EA Mobile Technologies Private Limited, and it's been a good journey so far. And what we have coming up, Milte Hain, is a really unique solution which nobody else is having. So we are hoping it will be big. So Yudhishthir, you can talk more about Milte Hain.
Okay. Okay. So first of all, I would like to thank the entire Pro Bono team to provide this opportunity to speak about this, our app and ourselves. And so myself, Yudhishthir Attri, and I born and brought up the same place where Akash was born. So it's like a Noida only. So okay, so I have a close to 14 years of experience in different platform, and now currently I'm based in Germany, and I'm a director of the Cripvisor. So we are as a developing here cyber security solutions. And now, as I told in 2018, we bundle all the experience what we have to start something, and this is the brainchild product of our the Milte Hain app. So this is a first of all, they're very interesting, and interesting is that because first of all, it is a purely made in India app, and it will be more secure and blockchain based, and which is something very interesting, and it is very new in the terms of technology and security. So blockchain technology is something we are using for the security and communication level, and you know that to provide a very high level of security, which recently people has found lots of data breach security problems in the apps, the conferencing apps available in the market. So I think everyone is aware of that. So yeah, and our first internal beta build for testing is already available in the Play Store, and let's see how we go ahead. So this is a introduction from my side.
अच्छा बोस भाई, एक यहाँ पे इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट है. लाइक मुझे हमेशा से लगता था जैसे मैं आप ही से अपने फॉर्म वगैरह भरा था.
I think network issue बहुत है.
I think आकाश के एंड पे थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क इशू आ रहा है. So yeah, no issues.
हाँ, I think वेट करते हैं. आकाश का एक सिलेबल 1 मिनट में आ रहा है. तो आदित्य, इफ यू अगर आप मैसेज कर सकते हो आकाश को व्हाट्सएप पे या कहीं पे, थोड़ा फिक्स कर लें. इन द मीन टाइम, जब तक आकाश का नेटवर्क ठीक हो जाता है, अजय और युधिष्ठिर जी,
पूरे गांव में हम
आई थिंक आकाश रुकने नहीं वाला है.
परिवार में पूरे उसमें कोई भी एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं है. मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगता था अब से 6 महीने.
Actually, this is one good example why Milte Hain we are planning.
ग्रेट, राइट. बहुत सही बात है. और आई थिंक कुछ वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग की टेक्नोलॉजीज के बारे में बात करेंगे, लेकिन वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग की टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में बात करने से पहले आई वुड रियली वांट कि हम आपके करियर के अंदर और आपने कैसे इस करियर में आप आए उसके अंदर हम थोड़ा डीप डाइव करें. तो सबसे पहले मैं युधिष्ठिर जी के पास जाना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि उनका बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रांजिशन रहा है. ये टेक्नोलॉजी है ब्लॉकचेन, जिसमें अभी ये काम कर रहे हैं। और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात इसके बारे में ये है, जब ये बच्चे थे और उसके बाद जब हम बच्चे थे, तब भी
Yeah.
ब्लॉकचेन का नाम भी किसी ने नहीं सुना था। मैंने पहली बार ब्लॉकचेन का नाम सुना जब मैं कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएट होने वाला था, विच इज राउंड अबाउट 2016। ये 3-4 साल पहले ही इस टेक्नोलॉजी का नाम थोड़ा आना शुरू हुआ, जब ये बिटकॉइन वगैरह आया, तब हमने इस चीज के बारे में सुना कि ब्लॉकचेन है, क्रिप्टो करेंसी है। तो सबसे पहले युधिष्ठिर जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, टू स्टार्ट विथ, ये ब्लॉकचेन होता क्या है? मतलब अगर सिंपल शब्दों में हम अपनी ऑडियंस के लिए ये बता सके तो।
Okay. So thank you. Before I give the answer for the blockchain, I like to really appreciate you. You actually aware of the blockchain in 2016, and I am sure still lots of people in India of your same age, they are not aware of what is blockchain, what is Bitcoin, and all. So it's really nice. Actually, really, you are so proactive to the technology side. It is okay. You know that blockchain in 2016. Okay, so for me, transition is like okay. I'll start with I always work very in the core platforms, core technologies in Bangalore, and before moving to Germany. So actually, I moved Germany, and for this kind of opportunities like blockchain and all to explore more and more. Because in India, what I feel like people are really behind this technology. When the other countries, they mature the technology, then we start getting some waves. Oh, there's something is coming out. But I was very lucky, so I moved early. Okay, so what is blockchain? So blockchain is see, in general, so I'll give that the layman term first. What is a blockchain? So it's a chain of some blocks. It's nothing else. A chain of blocks. That's it. So what are the blocks here? So I will make a very high level again in that there chain of some server, some software servers, which is running in multiple that systems and multiple location around the globe. Okay, and how it is differ from the other traditional server, which is located in the one location. That term's called centralized and decentralized. Okay, and another term called is a distributed. Okay, so this blockchain technology called a decentralized technology. The decentralized means there is no central point, there is no central server who is that driving the things, who is making the things, who is controlling the things. So and this entire blockchain, so every server which is called as a node is the node which takes care of everything. It means it is a replica for all the nodes. And why people are talking about when a blockchain and the security come in the picture. So so blockchain, how it become so secure, having your decentralized things and database or ledger. So generally, if you want to hack any system, or break any system, so you will go and you will hack something. Okay, but in the blockchain, what happens if you have a 50 systems with 50 nodes, 50 blocks? Okay, if you want to hack the blockchain, you have to hack all the node at the same time, which is next to impossible. It is not possible. Even supercomputer is not that fast, so that you can have hack the entire node, all nodes of the blockchain at the same time, and which is what make the blockchain so secure. And more number of the nodes, more number of the servers we have, so it's more security added. It's more become if you have a 2 server, 3 servers, so it may be possible in theory, but if you have a 50 servers, it's not even possible in theory, and it's not even possible in the practical. So this is the basic thing about the blockchain.
Right. So blockchain is basically a chain of blocks, और इसके कुछ types हो सकते हैं, distribute, so centralized, decentralized, and
no. So blockchain is always decentralized, because the centralized. Let's take the example of you have a one bank account and you have your bank. So where your data is stored, data is stored? It's stored in the bank. So there's a central server. Everything is driven from that. Okay. So if your central server is broken, everything is broken. Okay, right. So how to solve this problem? Then blockchain is like a distributed system, a decentralized system. It's not only one center; it's in multiple places. Same set of data is available. If you want to hack the entire system, then you have to hack all the servers, all the system at the same time. If any system, let's say you hack that, and another node, other server came to know immediately, and they will block that. So you cannot really get the access of the data. So that's like a decentralized ledger, we can call.
Got it. So it's decentralized, and that's why it's so secure, and that's why I think it's very difficult to lose out on data, क्योंकि वो एक central system पर dependent नहीं है. Is that right?
आदित्य अगर मैं क्योंकि मेरा टेक में कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन मैं जो वेबसाइट पे स्ट्रीम करता हूँ वो एक्चुअली ब्लॉकचेन पे रन करता है ऑन BitTorrent एंड ट्रॉन क्रिप्टो करेंसी एंड व्हाट नॉट. तो एक्चुअली जो जितना तक मैंने समझा, युधिष्ठिर जी अगर आप मुझे करेक्ट कर सकते हो, लेट्स टेक इट एज एक लेमैन आपको पूछ रहा है कि है क्या. तो जितना तक मैंने समझा कि लेट्स हैव लेट्स से पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, वन लार्ज कॉम्पाउंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, उसको पीसेस में डिवाइड करके एंड दे आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इनटू मल्टीपल सिस्टम्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, जो भी आपके यूजर्स होंगे.
Not really. So the information we don't have to divide in the piece. So every system will have the same information. It's the identical. It's a replica of all the system. So you cannot have like some information is stored in that system and some information is stored in that system. No, that is not the concept of blockchain. Okay, so it is a block. Every system will have same replicated data. Same data. So that is the reason, if you know about the blockchain, transactions are significantly slower than the normal transactions, just because those transactions has to be written in multiple places. So it's not in only the one place. So all over blockchain, how many systems you have, how many nodes you have, so it will be updated in all the nodes. So this is not the correct what you are telling, the pieces, the information piece stored in the one system, some no. So all are the identical.
ग्रेट. तो मुझे वापस जाके होमवर्क करना पड़ेगा. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर क्लैरिफाइंग. तो गाइस, अगर आपके भी ऑडियंस आपके कोई भी सवाल होंगे, कोई भी क्वेश्चंस, बिल्कुल पूछते रहना, and we'll create a segment purely completely for audience question. वहाँ पे आदित्य, Mr. Sen, nobody gets to talk anyway. So I'll make sure of that. Aditya, over to you. Actually, you know what? I'll hand it over to you to keep the conversation running.
Thank you so much, Samant. And I think बहुत अच्छे से युधिष्ठिर जी ने हमको समझाया कि decentralized system है, अलग-अलग servers पे same information stored है, which is why I think it might be a bit slower when we are doing transactions on blockchain, but it is much more secure and it is much more, not so open to hacking or me being entered upon. So I think बहुत secure है, बहुत और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि इसमें data lose होने का डर नहीं, because it has so many nodes across. अब युधिष्ठिर जी, एक बात और पूछना चाहता हूँ. ये जब आप शुरू कर रहे थे अपना करियर, तो आपने कभी सोचा था कि आपको इतना अडेप्ट करना पड़ेगा नई नई टेक्नोलॉजीज के साथ, या आपको लगा था कि चलो ठीक है, एक लैंग्वेज सीख लिया तो जिंदगी सेट?
Actually, to be I'll answer this question very honestly. I was very bad, when I start my career. So I never thought like I will be so, that versatile. I learned so many things. So when I passed my college, so I was not aware like what to do. So I just so not really, actually, you are right. So I was not really aware and I will reach that far. So, and that's true. But, and I really thank to, the Mr. Ajay, because he was my mentor. So when I start my career, and so for short time, maybe 1 month maybe, and so that's where I start my career. And I really, actually, you're right. So I accept that. So I was not aware that I will be adapting that, but now situation has become like this. I want to learn every day. So every day I'm learning. In my team, we are all learning every day. So, and because this demand, so when you have a passion, and so we have to learn. So nothing is impossible, and nothing is like seems to we cannot do that. So we, me and Ajay, we learn every day. Every day, if we put on chart, so we actually have some point, at least 10 points every day. We are learning in the technology where we are going and where we are taking ourselves.
So guys, this is a very important insight, I think, for all of us. और I think ये बात हमारे podcast में through and through होते रही है. जो भी successful professionals आए, सबने ये बात बोली है. जैसे कि युधिष्ठिर जी ने कहा, it is very important to upskill every day. It is very important to learn every day. कभी भी जिस दिन हमने ये सोच लिया कि हाँ अब तो मेरे को सब आता है, I think हमारा career खत्म उसी दिन. So it's a very important insight. अब मेंटोर पर आते हैं सिंस ही वाज स्टूडेंट कि सर आपने जब करियर शुरू किया था यही सेम क्वेश्चन आपको भी कि you know they have started, it would have been very basic programming languages. Maybe you would have learned C, C++, maybe even COBOL, etc. How did you see this whole ecosystem time? Because obviously nowadays also I see within our generation 25, 26, 30-year-old people think that चलो एक लैंग्वेज सीख लिया पाइथन सीख कम हो जाता है. How do you think we should tackle it and how did you tackle it?
Yeah, so yeah, I had this exact same thought when I started off after getting recruited in my college campus that so I thought, okay, now I know Windows programming, I need not learn anything else. And कुछ साल बाद विंडोज मोबाइल का आया